But just I'm telling you, okay. Any questions till now? Okay, can we move forward like before? The next thing, what we have thought of discussing today is like creating a rule, right? How to create a rule creation. But, before creating a rule, we'll discuss regarding one thing like px, py and pj. You might observe there are a few things like px, py and pj. See, few properties are pj properties. Pj requester ID, pj original in the same instance key. Few are of pj properties. Pj serialized, change some. There are few pj properties. If you see here application, there are some py properties. Py rule, start py skin type py properties. And there are some px. There will be some px properties also. See px actors count. Px actors count, px assumptions count. You understand px, py and pj. Now let me tell you what is the difference between px, py, pj. Px properties are only read properties. Read means whatever the data is present on that property. You can only read that property means you cannot modify that information. You understand if you take this property. Px commit date. Px commit. You cannot change this property. Px properties. You cannot modify. So one question, this properties comes under only system pages or it will come under all the pages? Like, no, if you see the user page. Yeah, if you click on his vehicle, suppose you have clicked on customer ID. Account ID is one property. Account ID is the property which we have created. So there is no p, px, py, pj in the starting. Okay, see, here you have some px property. These are all Pega given properties. Defined properties, and this is used to define. Okay, yeah, this one. You can create any properties like in, actually Java and all. You will create a variable site like int serial number or int name or string number, int name, you will create right. Yeah, properties are the holders, okay, which will hold an information. If you want to create a property, you can create it. I will show you in a rule creation is there in the concept which are we going to discuss, rule creation. I will show you how to create a property, but before creating those things, we have to know about px, py and pj. What is a px? Px is like, we can only read the information. Read information. Read info that is present on a property. Suppose you have px created and you cannot change this created. Okay, you can only read that information. Okay, you understand what I'm trying to say. Yes. Yes. Yeah, we have some PYID. See, this is PYGUID. This is PY Global Identifier, Global Unique Identifier. Okay, PYGUID is this one. You can write and read, write in the sense. You can modify this one. How to modify I'll tell you, but you can understand. Like PY is, like you can both read and write in the sense modification. Okay, PYID is. You can both read and write. Read and write. I'll tell you how to manipulate the data. We have a data manipulation concept there. I'll tell you how to modify data on Clipboard, but you understand that PY properties are like, we can read and write. There are so many PY properties. You can find a PY work page. PY label will be there. These are all PX properties. You cannot change these things. Okay, you cannot change these things. PX is create operator. Who has created this case? I have created. You cannot change this thing. Okay, like you cannot manipulate the data here in this properties. You see you have some PY properties, PY PYID, PY is our case ID PY label. These things, these PY properties, you can change. Change in the sense you can read and you can write and you have PZ properties. PZ properties are like the properties used for Pega, internal processing in the sense, if you can use, you can also use. But those are all for Pega processing. Pega platform, is there? It for Pega internal process. This is also read, only read, but use it for use it by Pega. You understand Pega platform or Pega rule engine. You can see, it is usually Pega rule engine. Any questions here, PX, PY and PZ? These are Pega internal properties, each property. If suppose the property starting with PX, you can only read the data that is present inside the property. If it is PY, you can both read and write. Read and write in the sense you can read and you can modify the data. Okay, PZ properties are like you can read, but it is used in Pega rule engine. Any questions? So PX and PZ is almost same, right? PZ and PX. You can only read. But if it's yeah, we can only read. Yeah, you can see here, right, there are so many PZ like D_PZ. D_ means is data pages, but you can see it starting with PZ, right? These are all used by Pega internal process. Okay, we'll not much use this in Pega DNS for Mashup channel. These are all Pega internal processing things. Whenever it starts with PZ, you have to think that this is a Pega. This is this. Properties are used by Pega, the system. Okay, till now is it clear? Yes. Okay, what we have discussed today. We have discussed regarding user pages, like what is in user pages. User pages contains your case-related information, where it will present. It will be present on PWA work page. Okay, primary pages, PWA work page. Remember this one. You will be using this one in your day-to-day life. PWA work page, and inside PWA work page also, you can find some data that is related to your case in the sense. Whatever the case you are opening based on the thread. Okay, if you change the thread. Okay, if you change the thread. This thread will not have PWA work page. If you see here, there is no PWA work page here. Okay, PWA work pages will only be present for your case. PWA work page will only present for your case. Here you will have the PWA work page. This one.